Craving something quick, healthy, and delicious? Let's make this mouth-watering chicken stir-fry in under 15 minutes. 2 chicken breasts. 2 cups mixed veggies, like bell peppers, carrots, broccoli. 3 garlic cloves. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. 4 tablespoons olive oil, salt, pepper. Slice your chicken thin, season with salt, pepper, a splash of soy sauce, and coat lightly with cornstarch. Chop your veggies and mince the garlic. Heat oil in a wok or large pan. Add chicken and stir-fry on high heat for 3 to 4 minutes until golden. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, add a bit more oil and sauté garlic for 30 seconds. Toss in the veggies and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add chicken back in, pour in soy sauce and oyster sauce. Mix well. Serve hot over rice or noodles. That's it, quick, colorful, and packed with flavor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast recipes.